So what is dry brushing? You just dry brush your body before you take bath, and then you take bath normally. So yes. And what's the difference between a loofah, a wet brush, or a body scrub? So body scrub is the same, you apply it, but you cannot do it daily because it will make your skin dry. Even same with wet brush. If you'll apply it and you'll use a lot of soap, it will also make your body dry if you'll do it every single day. And loofah does nothing except making lather and is used for advertisements, and वो सिर्फ आपको बेवकूफ़ बनाता है. That's all it does. So yeah. So scientifically, how does dry brushing help out of all these things, and how can we use it daily? So I've made notes. Let me share it. So it removes your dead skin cells. It improves circulation and energizes the body. It stimulates and detoxifies lymph fluid that stores toxins and internal cell waste. It opens pores for toxin elimination. It reduces cellulite, not gayab. It improves immunity with lymph drainage. And there are so many more. And non-scientifically, what's the difference I can feel? My skin feels like baby butt. Like it's that soft. It's so bloody soft. And I do it every single day. Like almost 26 times a month, 26 days a month. I keep 5 days aside because then you're chumming and I don't want to, but otherwise I do it every single day. And it feels so soft. And I'll just give you a little experiment. How often I do it every single day. How long I have been doing it? I have been doing it since August or September, August I guess, 2019. So almost a year. What's the difference I feel? Like, it's so soft. It's so soft, I can't tell you. So yes, that's the difference. My body brush is by Sacred Salt. It's non-sponsored. And why I bought this, I read the reviews online. I'll also put a swipe up link in my story so you can buy it. And the best part is you can remove this and you can also use it like this if you want to. I thought for the areas which are easier to use, I'll use it like this, and for my back I'll use it like this. But over time I've realized that I don't want to get rid of the stick ever. It's so easier with the stick, so I never do it minus the stick. So I could have got the non-detachable one also. It would have been 200 or 300 rupees cheaper, but I thought I'll use it both ways. But I use it with stick everywhere. It's so much convenient like this. And you can put it out in the sun if you want to get rid of the bacteria, or if you think there is something, because sun kills everything. So and it's not a wet brush. You don't have to put water ever. How to use it correctly? So every motion has to be near the heart. So you'll have long strokes from your legs to your heart, from your shoulder to your heart. But I usually do it in upward motion. So I start from my ankles and feet and I go upwards, long motions, all upwards. Ideally it says you take it to heart, and this, every stroke should come to heart, but I don't want to do low because gravity is anyway pulling us down in the body. So I don't want to add on to it. So I do long upward strokes. So that's how I do it. Do it multiple times and then take bath normally, like how you do it. I don't have to explain how you take bath, but just do it like 2 minutes before taking bath. You take it to the bathroom, do it, and then take bath normally. So that's how you do it. Did I get rid of my cellulite? You cannot get rid of your cellulite. It's impossible. But just below my gluteus maximus, that is my butt, there were a lot of lines and a lot of cellulite, visible cellulite, if I would wear shorts. And give a shit about it earlier because I had lost around 25 kgs or 30 kgs of weight, something there, from my teenage years to now. So it was there, and now it is a lot of it is reduced. So now I realized I do give a shit about it, and I feel happy that I've lost it. So yeah, I didn't plan to use it because of that, but it has happened now. So I'm like, yeah, why not? Like, good things happen, you feel happy. It didn't bother me earlier, to be very honest, because I used to wear what I wear even then, but it feels better to have a good healthy body. So Do it gently around your elbows in circular motions, around your knees in circular motion, and do it repeatedly over, or like if I'll do it on my arms, I'll do it 3, 4, 5, 6 times like you brush your teeth. So you'll get in the habit, and the first time you'll use it, you will shout because it would feel so unnatural. Like when I used it for the first time, like "Arey kya hai?" It's like cactus going inside my body, and I thought I can never do it. Ye brush kharab hai, ye bakwas hai, I'll return it. But eventually after 4-5 days your body and you will get the hang of it. So don't get scared when you start and you're like, oh chubra, it's not, no, I can't do it, because it will happen and eventually you'll get used to it. So already there's so much in life, why dry brushing? So we clean our face, we scrub our face, but body accumulates a lot of dirt and bacteria because you don't scrub it often, and we don't see it because you also not see air, right? But it's there. So in Iran, when we used to live, there was a thing called khisa. It used to look like wool, and it was a scrubbing thing, and they used to scrub themselves so bad that their skin would turn red, and they used to get rid of all the toxins, and that's why we are in the habit of using khisa and now dry brushing, because in khisa also you need to use soap, and I'm not a fan of soap. But that's a story for another day. So in dry brushing, the good part is you don't use any soap, so body is not getting dry. And a little experiment which you can do, which my dad used to tell me, take your wrist or usko, just rub it. So when you rub it continuously, a lot of dirt would accumulate and you will see it. Like if you do it continuously, it will accumulate, and that shows that you're not like there's a lot of gunk there all over the body, and you need to get rid of it. And once you start using it, you will see a visibly brighter, not like bright and lovely, but visibly brighter and shinier skin, if I can use that word. You will see the difference within a month if you'll use it. It will be very, 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 very bright, and you'll feel clean. I don't know how to explain clean, but you will feel clean. So yeah, and you'll keep touching your body. So that's an add-on. Okay, done.